In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images with Chatgpt-4. If you're ready to take your interactions with artificial intelligence to the next level, this guide is perfect for you. We'll be covering all the steps needed to successfully send images to Chatgpt-4 and get the most out of your experience. Whether you're looking to enhance your queries or have some fun exploring what this AI can do, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up ChatGPT. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. Start by navigating to your web browser and logging into the ChatGPT platform. It should be as simple as entering your credentials and hitting the login button. If you're not yet registered, go through the simple sign-up process, and you'll be ready to start exploring the chatbot's capabilities. Once you're logged in, the next step is creating a new chat. This is your blank canvas and where all the magic happens. Simply locate the option to start a new conversation, which you can usually find on the homepage or dashboard. Click on it, and you should see a fresh chat window open up, ready for your input. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, sending images to ChatGPT. Find the paperclip icon in the message bar. The clever little paperclip is your gateway to attaching files and is usually positioned next to the text input box. Clicking on it will open a File Explorer window for your device. In this File Explorer, the world is your oyster. Browse through your folders and select the image you want to upload. Maybe it's a photo you've taken, an infographic you need help analyzing, or a meme to lighten the mood. Click on the image file you want and then confirm your selection. Here's a handy tip. You're not limited to just one image. With Chatgpt-4, you can attach multiple images at the same time. This is particularly useful if you're looking to compare items, create a story, or simply make your inquiry more vivid and detailed. Finally, when your images are uploaded, it's crucial to articulate your question clearly. This helps the AI understand exactly what you're asking. Take time to frame your question or request in a way that's specific and straightforward. This will enhance the AI's ability to deliver a useful and accurate response, making the most out of the visual content you've shared. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use images within Chatgpt-4 to enrich your interactions and explore new dimensions of AI-assisted communication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.